Okay, here we go. Tricky quiz number 17. Hey, okay, number 1. What suit in a deck of cards does not have either a one-eyed jack or king? Well, in a standard, and there's no such thing, deck of cards, there are 2 jacks that have one eyes and 1 king that has one eyes. Oh, by the way, in French, the jacks are called valets, and in German it's called a Bube, but I digress. And here they are from the standard bicycle brand of deck of cards, and we got a heart, spade, diamond, so the answer is clubs. Okay, how many U.S. presidents have there been? Turns out it's not that straightforward. Well, the current president is referred to as 45, and I refuse to say his name, so there. And they differentiated the 2 different Bushes with numbers. Why didn't they do that with the Clintons? Anyhow, he goes to Grover Cleveland. They gave him 2 different numbers for 2 different terms. Wait a minute, it's New York minute appropriately, so time's up. Hillary didn't win, but that's another matter. Turns out this was decided by act of Congress. Between you and me makes no sense. So by law, it's 45 when there was really 44. Okay, what countries use the euro money, coins and notes, but are not members of the European Union? And here on top are some of the backs of the 2 euro coin. That's the denomination they often do commemoratives in. And the countries are Kosovo and Montenegro. In the case of both of them, it's part of their plan to become a member of the EU. Okay, this is a basis of a lot of silly little number tricks. I want you to choose a 2-digit number, reverse the digits, take the difference between the 2, take that result, add those digits together, and you know what you're going to get? Go ahead, think of one. I'm waiting. Do another one. Difference, add the digit. You always get 9. Yes, you do. Here, I gave a bunch of examples at the bottom, and I'm going to spare you the proof. Trust me, like a used car salesman. Have I got a deal for you? But regardless, it always adds to 9. And it's a basis of a whole lot of seemingly amazing tricks when in fact all you're doing is getting a predetermined number. And finally, the presidential seal in the flag or otherwise changed when? Well, it turns out it was Harry Truman shortly after he became president, and up until then it hadn't been quite standardized. And the major change he did was to move the direction of the eagle's head to the left, possible political decision, but formally toward the olive branch as a sign of peace.